Hi everybody, and today I'm talking to you about two job what I have found for you. There is a welder, another one is press brake operator, and there's also another company where they have welder position open. And because Finland we have shortage of this kind of workers, and they quite often hire people also from abroad. And this first website even say that they are ready and willing to help you to settle down in Finland. And they don't say mention about this website, is it European Union or outside the European Union. You can contact them and also send your application. And this website is also in Finnish, so I will show you a little bit how you can solve out this problem. But all right, who is totally first time? Let me introduce myself. My name is John, and my channel is John of Finland. I always talking here about job opportunities in Finland and studies in Finland and Finnish culture, language, and what things come my mind. And of course, you always are welcome to give me some tips what you would like to hear. And I have a couple video under process what people have wishing to me to do, but they come a little bit later. So don't worry, there's a couple, 2, 3 videos coming what my audience have asked to do. But let's go now to this website. I will share this with you people now. So first website is this company, and this is Talent TC Center. And you just type the browser talentcenter.fi and it will come this website, and there's everything in Finnish. And when you go up here, you just click English. And now you can see more in English, and you just go here down and you still see in Finnish, but I cannot translate it. Everything we can check out. This supposed to be avoin hakemus means open application if you don't have what you want. So and Hitsaaja is welder, and this Särmääjä is press breaker operator, and this is like leader, and there's other position. So I will help you. Just you always can go here and check out what this meaning. So in Finnish, avoin hakemus open application, and here you click Finnish Hitsaaja, in English welder, and this one is Finnish Särmääjä and sharpener translated. This is that press breaker operator. I don't know, this time this post like Google translation is not always best. Foreman, and this is like team leader or manager. And then we go to Hitsaaja, Welder, and Särmääjä. I have already opened this website, but I can show you once again. So this is that Hitsaaja, Welder, and tähän työpaikkaan, and you just go down because this is Finnish, and down here they have start in English. They say we are looking for a MIG and MAG welder with English or Finnish language skills for our client, a company that manufactures metal parts for the automotive industry. The employer tasks welding of small steel structures elements according to drawings. The materials can be ordinary steel, specialty steels such as stainless steel and aluminium. We expect that the following from applicants: experience in welding carbon steels using the MIG and MAG method, willingness to work in long-term partnership contract for indefinite period of time, independence and high quality of parts producer, taking into account health and safety standards. English or Finnish language skills at level that allows communication with supervisor is mandatory. Ability to read technical drawings. We offer long-term and permanent employment, transparent rules, and fair treatment of employees. We willing send you an offer and contract conditions before starting work. If you have just moved to Finland or planning to move and work with us, we will take care of settling you in your new place of residence, provide you with information to make your life in Finland easier and help you through your stay. If you have any questions regarding the position, please contact Julia Pisolor. And this Julia Pisolor at talentcenter.fi, her email, and then is telephone number. And this is in Finnish. This application period have started 9 of April 2024 and is ending 30 of June 2024 and just before midnight Helsinki time. And this position is permanent. So you just go down here and they show you this Hitsaaja, Welder, and you just put your name here. I can put John like this, and surname. This is my surname. Uh-huh. And there you find your country. Where is your telephone? So I put in Finnish way. I just put some numbers here like this. And there is your own free speech kind of. You can put your things and telling you why you wanna apply this position and why you could be free description this translated. So why you wanna and why you will be good in this position. An example, if you don't live in Finland, you can say why you wanna move Finland and so on. And you can, if you have LinkedIn, you can include in your LinkedIn and website here. And if you have some other websites, example, you keep some blog or you have some you have been example school and they have make some article of you can include in here, or if you work in somewhere at the moment and they have make something where you example could be a picture of you and stories of you can include in here something what is good them know. And here you can say where you find this job, where did you find the job opening. And there is first one is some Finnish website Duunitori, and this is that government website. LinkedIn is one, Talent Center kotisivu, Talent Center homepage. You can example put this one is not, uh, I don't believe that is big deal. And this is a example, they have been in advertisement in magazine or press and something else where it could be YouTube example. And they're asking some if you wanna put some files here, and they saw what files they could be. And you can include in CV here, and this is if you have a done like work application, then you can include it here, but remember it's supposed to be maximum one website, and here could be something other what is beneficial. If you have example something school degrees, or if you have some referral letter, some ex company or someone, you can include it here. Muuli, there's some other um, file. And this minulle saa lähettää palautetta hakemukseen. You can send me feedback about my application. And then you have to do that. Olen lukenut ja ymmärtänyt tietoisia selosten. I have read and understand this security things about how they handle your application. And then you just click and send. And of course, you can put your pictures here. And if you have LinkedIn, and remember, you can include in here this high link in profile. You can put, they can already put some LinkedIn, your name and emails and telephone numbers here. And then they're much easier to can see your LinkedIn profile. So this was this Welder. And this another one, it was this Särmääjä. So press brake operator. So we go just down here, and they ask, are you positive, hardworking, and ready to learn new things person? If you answer is yes, so let's filter and check what we have for you. For our client company, which is producing metal components, we are looking for CNC press brake operator. In this role, you must be able to read blueprints, make settings to your machine, perform regular maintenance, follow the process, make programs, or to adjust as needed. The work will be done in 2 shifts. So they have like morning shift and evening shift. As a press brake operator, you will be responsible for the following operation and programming of press brakes such as Amanda and Finn Power. In machine settings, adjustment, necessary measurements. Are you ideal candidate if you have? You are ideal and ideal candidate if you have experience as press brake operator. Reading is long-term cooperation, ability to work independently, excellent workshop skills, knowledge of drawings, knowledge of instruments and measurements methods, communicative level of English or Finnish. We offer permanent and stable work and pay accordance with collective agreement, possibility of accommodation paid by employee. And here say that application have started 18th of April 2024 and application ending 30 of June 2024, just before midnight is Helsinki time. And this type of this position is permanent. And they show on the map here where is this. And here, if you click, you can go the home page, they LinkedIn and Facebook and Instagram. And there is this details, this email and this telephone number. And then you can just click and similar way fill up this application like I saw earlier. Actually here you can see like this, I have this Google, sorry. Now I put in English apply for this position. You have much easier to read. First name, last name, email, telephone number, free description, LinkedIn links. Where did you find this opportunity? It's much easier if you just can put Talent Center homepage or other from YouTube. Attachments, CV, application letter, or other attachments. I have read and understood the privacy statement. You can send me feedback about my application. And Then we go another company. I have already here find another Dopra Finland, and I will include in the description box my YouTube video. So don't worry. Dopra Finland specializes in connecting companies with the workforce they need. We charge for selected candidates according to our customers' preference. Customers have option to directly hire the individuals we have found, rent them through us for fixed term agreement, or hire them through us and later transition the workers to their own employment. Now we are looking welders for our customer company. Work description: Micmac welding, reading and interpreting technical drawings, selecting appropriate welding equipment and materials as well preparation, measuring and assembling before welding, adjusting settings and on the welding machine, performing quality checks of finished products, maintaining a cleaning and safe work environment, collaborating with team members and superiors to ensure efficient workflow. Expectations: English, Swedish, or Finnish at a communicated level, ability to read technical drawings and specialization, initiative taker, previous experience as welder or similar position, knowledge of different types of metals, strong attention to detail and commitment to delivering high quality work, knowledge of safety regulation and practices. And what they offer, we offer possibility to rent shared apartment, private apartment from us, possibility to rent a car from us, help with registration if you move from abroad, good personal service from Dopra, competitive salary depending on experience. We hire immediately when suitable person is found. And here is that practical work and role is welder and location is Luoto. They both, this Luoto and this earlier Laitila is some small towns or villages in Finland. And they're talking about this company here, founded 2019 and co-workers 40, turnover 1,500,000. And this is that application. You just including your birthdays, days, monthly days and years. Usually in Finland it's opposite way, but this time they're asking month, days, and year. Driving license, if you have B, yes or no. How much experience do you have on this area? What kind of job you are interested of? Salary expectation. I say that at least usual expectation 2,000 euro. I don't sharply know, but this is something 2,000 between 3,000 probably. In Finland, personal information, apply with LinkedIn, first name, last name, email, phone number, upload CV, original files, and cover letter, and submit application. I hope that this time this was helpful and I could help most of people, and one of my audience could get, or two or three could get position here. And please thumb up and subscribe and share my video, share my channel, and then when we growing together, we can do much more, and I can maybe in the future give some private support for people, and but of course then if I do that I have to charge some of money, but let me see what I will do, and so many people have wished that. But now I wish you have a good evening or good night. It depends where you are, but in Finland we have about 10 o'clock here, and sunset have been already been here, but you can see that behind is so light. Sunset sun is under horizon, and we don't have so dark in summer here. But you have to apply this job, and let me see if you can get this, and you can see yourself this beautiful country and this midnight sun. All right, I wish you really much luck. Bye bye.